Hi, this is my office. So there are kinds of interesting things in here. Today I was giving a private lesson on wave theory, and basically I have a tone generator set up to emit specific frequencies, and I have them running out of my computer through this little device here. It's called an interface, and then I have it outputting to a set of speakers right there, and secondary output going to a cathode ray oscilloscope. Basically, this cathode ray oscilloscope is going to be testing our sound energy. So here is a program. It's called Room EQ Wizard, and it's going to emit a 50 hertz sine wave. And you're probably not going to be able to hear it on the phone, but it sets up a sine wave here on our oscilloscope. And as I incorporate different harmonics into it, the waveform is going to change. So this is going to be a second order harmonic. You may be able to hear that. So notice the shape of our waveform has changed. We'll do the third order. It's changed once again. And it's our fourth order. Interesting stuff. So these are like the building blocks of sound, how it's made up, and that's the stuff that I'm interested in. So a small piece.